Do you hear that? Do it again, Toby. Well, now he's not going to do it. He snores so loud. Oh, of course, now that I'm recording, he's not doing it. There it is. Right next to my ear. Oh, sorry, Toby. Isn't he cute? He's cute, though. Yeah, but he just puts his head right back and continues snoring all night long.